We're going to go on to the next idea now, and that is chance and randomness. So we're going to quickly review kind of what Dr. Jacob went over, but then break you up in groups and discuss it among you to see if you have any questions. If you disagree, agree, and we always like to hear why. Because as a brief overview again, Dr. Jacob, he talked about these things called natural laws. So natural laws, just like gravity, if I release something, we know it's going to fall. That's a natural law, gravity. They always existed even before we discovered them. So cause and effect is a good way to look at a natural law. You don't brush your teeth, you can predict you'll get cavities. You eat a lot of junk food, you'll gain weight. You mean to everybody, nobody will want to be your friend. These are kind of cause and effect things that we can guess what will happen if we do something. Even things that look like they happen by luck and chance, we're going to propose that nothing happens by luck and chance. For instance, every gambling game, like the slot machines, do you think the slot machines are random? No, they operate by an equation. And so that's just to make it look like it's by random. They have an equation that will say when it wins and how many times it has to roll before it wins. There's a guy who stole the equation, went in and hit the jackpot, won millions, and then he went to jail because that's illegal. But it's possible if you know the equation. Dominic Laurigio, he's a guy that rolls dice for a living. He does it for a sport. And so there's a gambling game called craps that you throw dice to win. He has a strategic way to throw it that he'll get the numbers he wants every single time. If anybody is seen doing this technique at a casino, what happens to them? Yeah. Immediately kicked out because they actually found a way to beat the casino. And even, now these aren't as popular these days because they're in machines, but have you guys seen like these scratch and win games at supermarkets? Mohan, he found a way to predict winning tickets without scratching anything off. He told the company he found a way to break their game. They didn't believe him, so he got 20 tickets that he identified as winners, sent it to the company. 17 out of 20 were winners. So the next day, they took the game off the shelf. Then he kept beating game after game like this. Even things that look like they happen by luck and chance, we find the more information somebody has, the less it looks like it does happen. You look at famous people, whether they're a politician, whether they're, an artist, philosopher, scientist, they all come to the same conclusion about this idea of luck and chance. If you don't know who Katherine Johnson is, she's the girl on Numbers. It's a movie. Or no, it's the one that they do the math to go to space. Hidden Figures. That's Katherine Johnson. But yeah, all of them come to the conclusion that maybe this luck and chance thing isn't what we thought. And if you look at it in real life, we have past, present, and future conditions. If we have a peach seedling in the present, could this have come from a rock? No, this is pretty simple. It comes from a peach seed. Can this be an apple tree? No, unless it's some magical seed, it's going to be a peach tree. So we find all conditions are related in the past, present, and future. We take all these. A peach seed in the initial conditions, we can predict we'll have a peach tree. Now, this isn't too important to know what a peach seed is. But what is important is who you are. And we're going to propose to you. The more we find out who we are, we'll actually be able to predict who we'll be, what we want to do, what our life will be in the future. And being able to predict who you'll be and things you like reduces a lot of stress in life. Because have you ever spent a lot of time on something or spent a lot of money on something that you thought you liked, but you got it and found out you wasted your time or you wasted your money? This happens with me with clothes all the time because I'm terrible at shopping. So I'll buy something, think I like it, then like a week later I found I don't like it at all. The better you know who you are, the less you can make these mistakes of getting things that you don't actually like in life. And so basically we're proposing just these two ideas. An idea that maybe chance exists or maybe nothing happens by chance. And depending on what you believe, you're more likely to do other things.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel for more content. We'll see you next time.